Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's actually Mini Macaron's 6th birthday, and if you've been watching my channel for some time, you probably know that I absolutely love Mini Macaron gels, and I always travel with one of their gel manicure kits. So today's video is really exciting because this is my first Maxi set. This is the new Butterfly Dreams Maxi Fairy Floss Edition Deluxe Gel Manicure Set, and in this video I'm going to unbox the set to show you what it comes with, explain how to use the Maxi lamp, and swatch the gel polishes from this set. If you're interested in DIYing your own gel manicure at home, or if you want to see some of Mini Macaron's other gel polishes and sets, I'll leave a link to my Mini Macaron playlist down below, and you can also use my code caramellogram10 to get 10% off regular price items at minimacaron.com. But now let's go ahead and get on into the unboxing. This kit includes everything you need for gel application and removal, just like their other gel manicure sets. And as soon as you open the box, you'll see the Maxi lamp front and center, and then around it there are 4 mini gel polishes in the shades Licorice Dream, Lily Rose, Glitter Utopia, and Peony Desire. These mini gel polishes are a little under half the size of the full-size gels, and as of right now I believe Lily Rose, Peony Desire, and Glitter Utopia are all exclusive to this Butterfly Dreams set. Like I mentioned, this is my first Maxi set, and before I got it, I was wondering if the Maxi lamp would be really big and bulky compared to their regular LED macaron lamps that I love, but after using it for some time now, it is the perfect size to comfortably fit your whole hand inside. There is an on and off switch on the bottom of the lamp, and then on the top there's a power button / sensor, an indicator light, and a place to insert the cord. And this lamp will work for both manis and pedis, so if you want to do a gel pedicure, you can just remove this piece from the bottom so you can fit your feet under the lamp, and then you can put it back on for your manicures. Moving on to the rest of the unboxing, you get a cute little postcard and a really cute pink velvet travel pouch for the Maxi lamp. And inside this pouch you get an instruction pamphlet, 20 pre-soaked individually wrapped remover wipes, a matching pink USB cord, and I really appreciate that it's a long cord with a USB end so I can plug it into a wall outlet or something more portable like a laptop or battery pack and not have to sit on the ground beside an outlet, which I did have to do with my very first UV lamp that I had years ago. You also get a full-size pink cuticle stick and a full-size butterfly nail file. And everything that comes with this kit except the box can fit inside this velvet pouch, including the lamp, the cord, the gels, the remover wipes, everything that you need for a full gel mani, which makes it really easy to store and travel with if you want. So here's a size comparison between the Mini Macaron LED lamp and the Maxi lamp. And to show you how the Maxi lamp works, I'm plugging the USB end of the cord into my laptop and the other end into the back of the lamp. Then I'll switch it on the bottom, and I can just tap the power button / sensor at the top to turn the light on and off. It turns off automatically after 60 seconds, but you can also turn it off manually if you want. There is also this little indicator light at the top that flashes green if it's plugged in and turned on, and then it's steady green if the LED curing light is on. For manicures, I can fit 4 fingers in the lamp at the same time, so I start with my left hand, then my right hand, and then I'll usually do both of my thumbs at the same time after my other nails are all done. And now onto the swatches. This first one is called Licorice Dream, which is a classic black gel. I believe this is the same as Licorice, which is available as a full-size gel polish, and they also recently released a gel manicure kit in the shade Licorice. It's a solid black gel polish and definitely a staple for me because it's opaque in 2 coats, and these gels are no wipe gels, so there's no annoying sticky layer to remove after curing, which makes them perfect for chrome powders. And here are 2 coats of Licorice Dream. The second gel polish is called Lily Rose, which is a light pink shade, and this is the only shade out of the 4 that needed 3 coats for me, but because these gels all have a 3-in-1 formula with a base coat and top coat included, it's still fewer coats than what I would normally do for a regular 2-coater polish plus a base coat and a top coat. That being said, because I'm swatching these gels back to back, I did use a peel-off base coat underneath for this video, but if you're just wearing these gels as a regular manicure, you don't need a separate base coat. So here are 3 coats of Lily Rose. Next is Peony Desire, which is described as a rich berry pink. This shade was the most opaque out of the 4, and it was almost opaque in 1 coat, but for gels especially, I would still recommend doing a really thin first coat so that it cures completely and evenly, and then a second thin coat instead of doing 1 thick coat. Sometimes if the gel layer is too thick, it'll cure the topmost layer and the gel underneath will still remain uncured, and you might end up with some wrinkles on your nail. So here are 2 coats of Peony Desire. And the last shade in the set is called Glitter Utopia. I believe this one is meant to be a glitter topper, but first I'm going to show you what it looks like swatched on its own. It has some small silver holographic glitters suspended in a clear gel base, and even though this has a 3-in-1 formula just like all the other gels, I would recommend adding a layer of top coat to this one because the glitters do add a very slight texture, and the top coat will just help smooth it all out. And here are 2 coats of Glitter Utopia swatched on its own. I love how Glitter Utopia looks on top of darker colors, and my favorite color combo is with Peony Desire, so here I'm just doing a simple glitter gradient. All I'm doing is I'm taking Glitter Utopia and I'm applying it to the top half of my nail, and then I'm going to cure it in the LED lamp. Then I applied another thin layer of Glitter Utopia on the top quarter of my nail to concentrate that glitter near my cuticle, and cured that one more time. And to smooth it all out, I applied a coat of the Gel Shine top coat and cured that. And here is a super simple glitter gradient. And finally, one tip that I learned while trying the Maxi lamp for the first time is to cap the free edge of my nail with the gel. I found that if I took too long to paint my 4 nails before curing it, then the gel would kind of creep towards the center, as you see here in this side-by-side view of the same nail with 1 coat of Licorice Dream uncured. The left side is what it looks like right after application, and on the right is a few minutes after application, and you may be able to see that it shrunk just a little bit. And this is probably because of the natural oils in my nails, but capping the free edge in addition to prepping my nails beforehand definitely helped. So for a long-lasting gel mani, what I do is I push my cuticles back with the cuticle stick, then I gently buff the surface of my nail to create a rough surface for the gel to cling onto, and then I wipe it with acetone. Then I'll paint my 4 fingers on my left hand, making sure to cap the free edge. Then I'll paint the 4 fingers on my right hand, and I'll do my thumbs last. And I like to paint my thumbs last because I use my thumbnails to get rid of any gel that may have gotten onto my skin, because any gel that cures on your skin will make the gel lift sooner. So that's all for today's video featuring Le Mini Macaron's Butterfly Dreams Le Maxi set. I hope this video was helpful, and once again you can get 10% off at leminimacaron.com with my code caramellogram10. In my next video, I'll be sharing a butterfly nail art design with this set, so be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on that video. And if you want to watch any of my other Le Mini Macaron swatch videos, I'll leave a link to that playlist on your screen and down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!